Hey guys, my name is Sarah with Memories Vacation Home, your host. We are so thrilled that you chose us for your next vacation. This amazing vacation home features an incredible master bedroom on one side, 3 bedrooms on the other, and an amazing backyard with a large pool you'll be dying to dive into. Take a look around, let me know what you think, and feel free to reach out with any questions.